Hello friends, let's see how to cook this brown rice. This is Kaatu Yaanam. It's an Asian rice. It's good for cholesterol and blood sugar control, and let's see how to cook it. So right here I put them in the Instapot and let me add water into it. I just cook them in the brown rice settings and it cooks very nice. So I have 1 cup rice and let me add water into it. So I just add the water usually I put like 2 cup water. That's enough. So you can soak this rice if you want to cook really quicker, but I didn't soak it. I just put the rice and put them in the put them in here. It's not an Instapot, but it's comfy. I got this one from Amazon and then I set it up to brown rice and then it will cook in 15 minutes 10 minutes and keep them in warm. So let's come back in 15 minutes. I'm back from the chicken coop and then let's see. Look at this, it's cooked nicely. So here is the brown rice, the like a Kaatu County rice is done. So it's awesome. It's nicely cooked, so it's easy, it's awesome. I'm going to have a lunch, Thanks for watching and stay subscribe and then look for more update on different rice, like kind of brown rice cooking.